It used to be the culture of some people in Calabar to kill twins. But today, that custom is no longer, being practiced. So custom is dynamic. And so there is nothing that cannot change about a culture. You can imagine what the Supreme Court had reviewed to come to the conclusion that any custom that denies the female child of inheriting her parents or her father is, a custom that is against equity, natural justice, and good conscience. So that is a very important, statement. And I think this case has gone through from the High Court to the Court of Appeal and now to the Supreme Court. And by our laws, that is the state of things as they are now. It's just a matter of time. When we have many more women who refuse to be denied to inherit their parents, and they take that matter to court, the court will definitely avail them that which has been denied them. Secondly, when awareness is created and people get to know that, look, this is the law, this is the statement, this is the position of the law, it's just a matter of time things will change. Change doesn't really come easy. I believe that these obnoxious, discriminatory, customary practices against women are gradually being phased out. And one of the major ways that they have been done is challenging them in court and getting the court to affirm that these practices are obnoxious. And then also working with other women groups in the different communities and sensitizing and enlightening them. Because sometimes people, don't know. And because they do not know their rights, they cannot protect them. But when people know their rights, then they will stand up for those rights and want to protect them. It's about creating awareness, making sure that the women and people in the community know that this practice has been found to be obnoxious by the Supreme Court. For me, that argument, it doesn't hold any water. Because first and foremost, why do you inherit? You inherit the way the male child was born is also the way the female child was born. I've also had an argument that the male child inherits in trust for the female child. Do you understand? Meaning that as the first male, whatever he inherits, he is supposed to take care of the other. That too is an argument that I do not buy into, because these are people who have capacity. Whether you're a male child, whether you're a female child, you have capacity. So you should be able to inherit your own and know what you do with your own inheritance, not for somebody to inherit on your behalf. Yes. And this has caused a lot of, a lot of crisis in many homes.